Alright boys, we're back with another install video. We're continuing the Touge MonZter series. Today we don't got nothing crazy. We just got a part that's been here for a while. It's not these. Check these out though. These are the other camber arms that we remember?
We're still gonna do that too?
Yeah, but I mean, we don't need to do them ASAP. So these SPO camber arms, man, I think I might even sell them to be honest. But we're not doing this today. Put this shit away. Yeah, I guess. Yep, we're doing intakes on the Z. Truth be told, guys, I don't think Z's need intakes if you're like not going all out on the tuning. But I mean, why not, right? Like supposedly it adds a little bit of horsepower, makes it sound better. And not to mention that I got these on sale from Z1 Motorsports. I got the carbon trim all together for like $500. So to me that was worth it. Z kits usually come out for like $500. So, you know, not bad. We're gonna unbox this because I haven't even checked it out to be honest, and we're gonna get to installing it. So let's do that right now with the official mechanic, Brandon. You ready?
What's going on? Yeah, it's gonna make it look a little better as well.
You gotta try to be on the Audi level.
Oh yeah.
The Audi intake is insane. But we're probably
I don't think we
making.
showed that yet, huh?
Yeah, we haven't shown the new Audi with the new stage 3 tune and the parts and everything, but yeah, it's insane. This hopefully goes by quick because these installs always tend to feel like they're gonna go by quick and end up being like 8 hours or 2 weeks.
That's if you don't have the right tools, of course.
Yeah, and like for intake, you shouldn't really need crazy stuff, right? So, little weekend project. Let's get started. Wait, I don't think you need to. Do you need to remove the strut bar?
I mean, he'll give us like more space.
That's true.
I just didn't bring the little gun. Get a different one of these or keep
Maybe
it?
down the road. Step 1 done, guys. Took off the strut bar
Why did we have to remove that?
so you could access the pipe, the big pipes.
Just make it easier for you.
Pop it up. Neo, why you licking that, bro?
There we go. I don't know if we have to put this on the.
I think we gotta. I think we do, bro.
I just save
So
all
we
that.
have to keep this. And we have to keep this. We should cover that too.
Yeah, so what's going on right now?
So we're doing step 2, boys. We gotta take off the front bumper to, you know, put the intake in there. Once this comes off, should be straightforward.
And what are you doing, Brandon?
Just cleaning the throttle bodies.
Were they dirty or?
Just a little bit.
That's gunky.
Hey, give him that warning, Brandon.
What warning?
You don't want to fuck with your butterflies.
If it's electronic.
Yeah, you're cleaning the throttle body. I mean, I've heard different stories. Some people mess with the butterfly, clean inside it, and the car works fine. Other people, they clean the throttle body, they mess with the butterfly. Next thing you know, their idle is completely messed up, and they can't get it right again. Even when they reset battery, they reset computer, everything. So in order to not have to deal with that, we might as well just not even touch them. So, fair warning.
Official Apex Predator.
Alright, boys. Stock air boxes came off. Popped right off. We're gonna put in the new ones now. Shit, dude. It's kind of dope seeing the engine like this.
Yeah, these take a lot of room.
Yeah. So all this space was just the airbox. So now that we take it off, we just get to put in the pipes, and that should be a lot easier. Alright. Boys, so we're advancing with the sensors in there now. Sure, you guys put it the right way. If you guys put this shit facing the other way, you're not gonna get no airflow. I mean, you're gonna get some airflow reading, but your idle's gonna be all kinds of messed up. So the actual little sensor thingy has to be as the air comes in like this.
What is what were the problems we were facing right now?
The filter right here was hitting the bumper support, or like that. So we had to kind of like push it in a little bit, and right now it looks like it's sitting just about right. And we're gonna test fit it again, see if we don't have to crush this. I mean, but it's looking pretty good so far.
Alright, boys, so now we're moving on to the driver's side. Quick note, you still need this little, like, I don't know what this is called, but you need this that comes off the original intake. You need to reuse it to mount it. And now this goes, you get this new pipe from the kit.
PVC elements or something like that.
You get this PVC element that goes into the intake that you just bought. And then this goes in the middle here. This thing is gonna go to the vacuum hose here. It's a vacuum hose, right?
Yeah.
And then this is gonna go into the engine. What is this?
Some PVC valve. I think this is like some kind of, yeah.
Some shit. But like pretty much you gotta reuse this, so don't throw it away. And now we're gonna install the passenger side. I mean the driver's side.
This here's the passenger. Was a pain in the ass or a pain in the butt. But they got it together. Look at that.
Put this shit on before it dries up. It's like the fuck.
And we can always pull it out and buy more lube.
So we're test fitting right now, boys. Looks like we're gonna have to do some trimming. This goes in here, this goes in here, obviously. But then this is gonna be way. We have to pull it out even a little bit. I mean, this shit goes in.
Yeah, that should, oh, there you go.
That'll be sweet. Oh, I know you like that. Take it. Perfect.
Does this need to clamp here? Oh no, that's all one piece?
Yeah, that's all one piece. Shout out to all of you people that watch One Piece. I don't watch it, but shout out to people that do, because that shit is long as fuck, bro. It's 1,000 episodes.
Yeah. I started watching it, when was it? I think 2 years ago, bro, and I'm only halfway. I took a break, man. Like every 100 episodes, I take a break. It's too much for me.
That's commitment. I can't start 1,000 episode anime, bro.
How's it looking so far?
Hey, man, you know what? For a while there, I thought we goofed, but it's looking better now. Everything's pretty much sealing nicely, so no complaints there.
Pretty much ending it already, huh?
Yeah.
Just gotta add on, like,
Just
filter, put the bumper back on, and start her right up.
Shit, I always wanted a Z since like middle school, dude.
You wanted a Z since middle school?
Middle school days. Clearly, I remember I was like 7th grade. That's when like Fast and Furious came out. Tokyo Drift. That DK 350, bro. Stole my heart. Ever since that day, I wanted a Z. And we done did it, boys.
What do we have?
Have a 350Z.
I didn't know what I wanted. I just wanted a car.
I just found something about Brandon. He was this close of becoming another Z driver. But what happened, man?
My budget, man. The guy wanted 7K. I only had like 2K.
Sheesh.
Had to find another car.
So, what car did you find for 2K?
That's gonna be on another video.
Ooh.
That's gonna be on another video.
I see you. That cliffhanger.
Man, I haven't even introduced myself.
Yeah, man.
Man,
Like,
they know you.
What do you mean they know me?
They know you as the freak.
yeah,
Why? Because I drive a bang bus?
You a freak, bro.
we should get sponsored by Dr. Pepper, huh?
Yeah, Dr. Pepper.
We don't even want money. Just send us unlimited cream soda.
Please.
It's about that time, man. Celebratory drinks after a job done. We still gotta bolt some stuff back up, but we're pretty much done with this shit.
It's looking pretty good.
Golden Rockstar, bro. So good. People talk about that white MonZter. I don't know, man. If you're a real one, you know this is the real drink. Come on, even got Master Chief on there, bro. You know it's the real deal. Bolted the crash bar back up. The whole intake is pretty much secure on there. Now we're just gonna put the bumper back on, turn it on, see how it idles. Or should we do it before I put the bumper on? Just to see if there's some iffy stuff. Alright, so first startup after the install. Alright, boys, so we're pretty much we're in the car right now. First of all, I had a check engine light, which I already know where it is. It's my cat's. But that went away after we disconnected the battery, so shout out to that because I got to smog it soon. But the idle is looking good, man. Yo, shout out to my girl. Love you, baby. Idle is looking, like I said, only nice. So that lets me know that we pretty much, you know, we did things right. From what I read, you don't need a tune if you're installing this kit. And most of all, you just gotta, you know, drive it for a little bit, let it relearn. So I'm excited, but we're gonna see how it sounds from the inside now. I was telling them that doesn't sound much different to me. Maybe a little bit more throaty.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit more throaty, right?
Yeah.
A little bit more throaty when you gas it. So as I was saying, at this point, I'm not expecting much of a power difference from my car. The Z was going on to be 15 years old now. It's a 2008 HR. It also has 165 miles. It's my daily driver, so if it's a beating, you know. So at this point, I'm not really looking for power. And I really just bought the cold air intake because it looks dope. Like the carbon fiber looks solid. But I'm not looking to make greater gains from it. If anything, like I said, we're gonna focus on body and suspension just to make it a fun car for the Touge, for the track even. But in terms of power, it is what it is. I'm gonna get what I get and I'm gonna be happy with it because at the end of the day, it has plenty when we go into the mountains, trust me. Like the mountains, this thing it maxes it out, so I'm not even tripping about that. So as long as we get the suspension going even more, and then we got some proper tires, some lighter weight wheels as well, I'll be happy with it. But I mean, I definitely like the cold air intake. So I mean, you can't deny that it doesn't look clean. Look at that. Like the carbon itself looks solid, and the fact that it just frees up so much of the engine bay. I don't know why the OEM intake is so bulky. It takes up hella space, right, Brandon?
Yeah.
It's what, 3 or 2.5 inch diameters throughout, so it should be pretty solid. This was a pain to install, guys, but we made it work. And now he's gonna put on the bumper, strut bar, call it a day. Shout out Gohan. You're a real one. Gohan's a real one.